Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Morning Muse, your favorite place to learn English easily, naturally and confidently. In today's class, we are going to learn one of the most powerful secrets to fluency. How to think in English and stop translating from your native language. Many learners understand English well. They know grammar and vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, their mind freezes. Why? Because they think first in their mother tongue, then try to translate every sentence into English. This process takes time, creates hesitation, and breaks confidence. So, if you really want to speak English fluently, you have to train your brain to think in English directly. Don't worry, this is not as hard as it sounds. You don't have to live in an English-speaking country or have native friends to think in English. You can train your brain step by step, right where you are. In this class, I will show you practical, everyday methods that will help you stop translating and start thinking in English naturally. Step 1. Understand why you translate. Let's start by understanding the problem. When you learned your first language, you didn't translate. You just heard words, repeated them, and connected them with meaning. That's how babies learn to speak. But when we learn English later in life, we study it through books and grammar rules. So our mind connects English words with our native language, not directly with ideas. For example, when you want to say, "I am hungry," your brain first thinks in your language, then finds English words for it. This is normal in the beginning, but if you keep doing it for years, it becomes a habit, and habits can be changed. Step 2. Start thinking in simple English. Thinking in English doesn't mean thinking in complex sentences. It means starting small. Very small. Begin with simple words and daily thoughts. When we wake up, we can say in our mind, "I am getting up. I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I am getting ready." Instead of translating from our native language, we can say what we are doing directly in English. This process builds a bridge between our thoughts and English words. You can also think about what you see. For example, if you see your baby playing, think, "She is playing with her toy." If you see the weather, think, "It's sunny today." These simple English thoughts are the foundation of fluent English. Step 3. Create an English environment around you. You can't think in English if you only hear your native language all the day. So, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone language to English. Label things in your home like mirror, chair, table, door, window, etc. Each time you look at them, your brain will automatically register those words into English. Watch English videos, listen to English songs, or follow Simple English podcast daily. The more your ears hear English, the more your brain starts thinking in English without effort. For example, when you listen to an English speaker say, "What's up?" or "How's it going?" your brain begins to store those phrases as natural expressions, not translations. Step 4. Talk to yourself in English. This is one of the most powerful techniques. You don't need anyone else, just you and your voice. Talk to yourself in English throughout the day. You can describe what you are doing. I am cooking lunch. I am cleaning the room. I am checking my messages. Or express your feelings like, I am tired today. I am happy with my progress. This method helps you think and speak at the same time, without switching to your native language repeatedly. If you feel shy, you can do it silently in your mind. Think in English sentences instead of speaking them aloud. Slowly, your brain will start forming English thoughts naturally. Step 5. Learn words with meaning, not translation. Most learners memorize English words by writing the translation next to them. For example, apple, the meaning of apple in their native language. But this keeps your brain depend on your native language. Instead, connect the English word with a picture or an emotion. When you learn the word apple, imagine a red fruit in your hand, not the translation. When you learn happy, think of a smiling face, not your native equivalent word. This way, your brain starts thinking in English because it connects words directly with ideas, not into other languages. Step 6. Learn English in phrases, not individual words. Fluent English speakers don't think word by word. They think in chunks or phrases. For example, instead of thinking, I go to market, they think and say, I am going to the market. Learning short expressions like, by the way, a little bit, I don't feel like, kind of, as soon as possible helps you speak smoothly. When you think in phrases, you don't have to translate every word. Your brain will automatically recall full expressions and make speaking much easier. Step 7. Listen and repeat, which is also called as shadowing practice. Listening helps your mind think faster in English. Choose a short English audio or video. It could be from a podcast, a movie, or even one of my videos. Listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly as you heard it. Same tone, same speed. This is called shadowing. When you do this regularly, your mouth, ears, and brain get used to English rhythm and word flow. Slowly, your mind will stop translating and start responding in English automatically. Step 8. Describe your day in English. At the end of the day, sit quietly for 5 minutes and describe your day in English, either aloud or in a journal. For example, today I woke up early. I made breakfast for my family. Then I watched an English video on YouTube. In the evening, I went for a walk. This habit not only improves your fluency but also strengthens your thinking ability in English. The more you describe, the easier it becomes to form English thoughts without translation. Step 9. Stop overthinking about grammar. Many learners hesitate because they are too focused on English grammar rules. But fluent speakers don't think about grammar while talking. They just speak naturally. When you talk in your native language, you don't think about sentence structure. You just express your feelings. The same should happen with English. So, don't pause every time you worry about whether it's has or have. The more you speak, the more your grammar improves naturally through listening and repetition. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Step 10. Read and listen with full attention. When you read or listen to English, don't just focus on meaning. Notice how sentences are built. For example, when you read, "She is looking forward to meeting you." Notice the structure. Next time, your mind will remember the pattern. Reading aloud also helps because it connects your eyes, tongue, and mind. You can even read short stories or dialogues every morning for 10 minutes to train your thinking process. Step 11. Practice with a daily routine. Let's create a small daily routine to help you think in English consistently. In the morning, speak 5 sentences to yourself in English about what you are doing or what you are going to do the whole day. In the afternoon, watch a 5-minute English video and repeat some sentences aloud. In the evening, write a few lines about your day in English. In the night, before sleeping, think about tomorrow's plan, but only in English. Following this routine for even 15 minutes a day will make a big difference in your fluency. Step 12. Use English in real conversation. Try to use English in daily life, even in small moments. When shopping, say, "How much is this?" When greeting someone, say, "Good morning," instead of using your native phrase. Don't wait for a perfect situation. Practice in real life. The more you use English, the faster your brain starts thinking in it. Step 13. Be patient and consistent. Thinking in English is a habit, and habits take time. Don't expect overnight results. At first, your brain will still translate, and that's okay. But if you practice every day, you will soon notice that English words come to your mind automatically and spontaneously. Remember, small progress every day leads to a big success. Even 5 minutes of English thinking daily is better than 1 hour once a week. Final tips. Don't try to be perfect. Just be natural. Think simple thoughts in English all the day. Use your phone, books, and environment to stay surrounded by English. Celebrate your progress. Every sentence you form in English is a big win. So my friends, that's how you can train your brain to think in English and stop translating. It's not about memorizing or forcing yourself. It's about living with English. Let English be a part of your thoughts, your emotions, and your daily life. Once your brain starts thinking in English, you will speak more confidently, more fluently, and without hesitation. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on Miss Morning Muse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who also want to speak English fluently. I will see you soon in the next class with another exciting and practical topic. Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep thinking in English.